Mag-i-spot check tayo kung magkano na ba ang transaction fee kung gusto nating mag-send or mag-withdraw ng Stellar Lumens XLM from coins.ph to an external wallet. So, in this video, yung gagamitin nating external wallet is yung Lobster wallet, which is a dedicated decentralized hot wallet for Stellar Lumens XLM, okay? So, sa example natin, meron tayong small amount ng XLM, that's 3.30 XLM. So, i-click lang natin yung send crypto under withdraw options, and then we're going to click on XLM. And then we're going to click on send to external wallet. So, for this one, makikita natin, isa-select natin yung Stellar network. And makikita natin dito yung estimated time para ma-receive yung XLM from coins.ph to an external wallet is roughly about 15 minutes, okay? So, iselect lang natin yung Stellar network, and then sa example natin, clinic ko yung maximum amount na meron tayo sa ating wallet for XLM, that's 3.30 XLM. And then i-copy lang natin yung XLM address natin from our Stellar Lumens Lobster wallet, okay? So, kailangan lang natin i-click yung receive option from the Lobster wallet to obtain and copy the XLM wallet address ng ating Stellar Lumens Lobster wallet, and then switch tayo sa ating coins.ph account, and then paste yung XLM wallet address. Makikita rin natin dito guys na for Lobster wallet to receive XLM from another wallet, no memo is required. So, pwede nating i-leave ng blank yung destination tag. Okay, and then click on next. So, dito naman sa next page, makikita na natin yung network fee. Makikita natin yung required na transaction fee or network fee is only 2.96 Philippine pesos. Okay? So, yung recording ng video na to is sometime around last week ng November. So, as of the date and time ng recording na to, nasa 2.96 pesos lang yung network fee kung magta-transfer tayo ng XLM from coins.ph to an external wallet. So, since yung Lobster wallet yung ginamit natin, ititik lang natin yung receiving address doesn't have a destination tag, and then click on next. Okay? So, make sure lang natin na lahat ng details ay correct, and then click on I understand. And dito naman sa next page, i-confirm lang natin yung transaction or yung withdraw transaction to send XLM from coins.ph to external wallet, which is our Lobster wallet, okay? And then sa next page, kailangan lang natin i-complete yung process ng facial recognition so that we can finally receive XLM from coins.ph to our XLM wallet.